Welcome to session 3. Now we're going to take a look at some level 2 exam style questions. So the aim of the session is to read scales on measuring instruments, for example length, volume, weight and capacity. To convert units of measure in the same system. To solve problems requiring calculation with common measures including length, distance and capacity. Question 1. A builder thinks that the weight of an individual standard brick is 4.4 pounds. He knows that an individual standard house brick should weigh 2 kilos. He also knows 1 pound equals 0.454 kilograms. Does an individual standard house brick weigh 2 kilos? Pause the video while you answer the question. Remember to show all of your working out. Question 2. It's a scorching hot day on site and John the site manager needs to buy some water for his workers. He wants to buy at least 750 ml of water for each worker. There are 55 workers on site. John buys the water in 5-litre bottles. Each bottle costs £1 and 6p. He has a budget of £10 for the water. Does John have enough money to buy at least 750 ml for each worker? Pause the video while you answer the question. Question 3. Jean, the works buyer, needs to order some bags of ready-to-mix trade filler. She sees this advert. Quick fill trade filler, 4 kilos, £20.50 per bag. Buy 2 bags and get 1 free. Jean has a budget of £65 to spend on filler. She needs enough to last 50 days. She knows they will use 264 grams of filler per day. Using the offer, is £65 enough to buy the filler to last 50 days? Show a check for your working. Pause the video while you answer the question fully. Don't forget to show a check. Question 4. A plumber is called to a renovation project and asked to supply and fit an appropriate water tank. Due to the nature of the roof joist, the tank must have a length of less than 1 metre, a width of 30 centimetres, a total weight when filled with water of less than 100 kilos. Suitable tanks and their dimensions are shown in the table. Choose an appropriate tank for the plumber. Explain your decision. Pause the video while you answer the question. So the objectives for the session were: did you convert units of measure in the same system? Were you able to solve problems requiring calculation, with common measures including length, distance and capacity? Remember, if you still have questions or need help, please ask me in class or email me.